So there are two things which I am passionate about. One is the art of storytelling. The other thing is software development. Over my 20-year career, I have merged the art of storytelling with software development and developed some of the most complex and extraordinary programs. Today, I'm going to share this amazing journey with you. Ready? Let's do it. So we are all surrounded by stories, like this YouTube channel 5 Minutes Tech Guru, where I share a game-changing tech as a story in just under 5 minutes. Or this YouTube platform, where the content creators share their adventure with billions of people in the world. But have you ever wondered how a simple story transforms into a software solution? How does an idea evolve into a product that touches lives? Today, I'm going to reveal the magic behind storytelling in software development. Hello, my name is Abhishek and welcome to my channel 5 Minutes Tech Guru, where we discover together all the game-changing tech of today which is shaping a better tomorrow. And we do all of that in just under 5 minutes. So when we are talking about storytelling, we usually attach it to some form of book or movie or web series or a short episode. But storytelling is actually a powerful tool to create softwares that resonates well with the users. Today, we are going to explore together how we can use this art form to deliver production-ready software from simple systems to complex architectures. So the first step is setting the scene. In storytelling, setting the scene is crucial. It's about understanding the world you are entering. In software development, this translates to gathering the requirements and understanding the context on which the requirements are being developed. Like in any good story, you need to understand and know who your characters are and what are their roles. And in our case of software development, you need to understand the end users, the stakeholders, and the challenges they face. The plot. Every story has a plot which is a problem that needs solving. And in software development, the plot is the problem that your software aims to solve. This is where creativity meets technology. By framing development challenges as stories, we can explore innovative solutions that truly meet the user needs. Character development. As the plot thickens, the characters in a story evolve. Similarly, software development or the software actually needs to grow and evolve based on the feedback we are getting from the users. This iterative process ensures that the software we are developing remains relevant and valuable, just as the characters should remain relatable and engaging in a story. Climax and resolution. In a story, climax is the part where the tension peaks. And in software development, this relates to the launch day. But the story doesn't end here. It evolves with patches, updates, new features, continually meeting the user's growing needs. Now you may wonder, does storytelling really make a difference in software development? The answer is resounding yes. By viewing development through the lens of storytelling, we create programs that are not just functional but truly meet the user's need and their expectations. So incorporating storytelling into software development brings numerous benefits. Enhanced communication. Everyone on the team, from developers to stakeholders, understands the project's requirements and the user needs more clearly. Creative solutions. Storytelling encourages thinking out of the box, leading to more innovative products. User-centric design. By focusing on the user's story, the end product is more aligned to what users actually want and need. And increased engagement. Both the developer and the product team, including the stakeholders, are engaged with the story or the software development throughout the process, as they feel a part of its story. So next time when you embark on a software development journey, remember this: behind every line of code, there is a story waiting to be told. And that's all for today. The art of storytelling in software development is indeed game-changing. If you found this episode intriguing, press the like button and share this video with all your fellow tech gurus. If you have not subscribed, do subscribe now and ring that bell so that you do not miss any 5 Minutes Tech Gurus episodes. Until next time, keep storytelling at the heart of all your creations. I'll see you next Thursday 6 p.m. Until then, peace and joy.